Let's practice a few more problems on polynomials. This time we'll be solving using identities. So these are the identities that you have to remember. X plus y whole squared is equal to x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. X minus y whole squared is equal to x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. X squared minus y squared is equal to x plus y into x minus y. X plus a into x plus b is equal to x squared plus ab into x plus ab. X plus y plus z whole squared is x squared y squared plus z squared plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. X plus y whole cube is x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. X minus y whole cube is x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. And finally, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z in bracket multiplied by another bracket x squared y squared z squared minus xy minus yz minus zx. Okay, using these identities, let us see how we can solve some problems. First, let's consider this 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 5. This looks like, x plus a into x plus b, because in the place of x we have got 3x, and in the place of a we have got 4, and in the place we have got minus 5. So using this identity, you will get this is equal to, in the place of x you have 3x, and the result is x squared there, so you get 3x whole squared plus a plus b into x. In the place of a we have 4, in the place we have b minus 5, so 4 plus minus 5, 4 minus 5 into x, which is again 3x, plus finally ab, so 4 into minus 5, 4 multiplied by minus 5. So we'll get 9x squared, and 4 minus 5 is minus 1, so minus 3x, and 4 5s are 20, but minus sign is there, so minus 20. We have y squared plus 3 by 2 and y squared minus 3 by 2. Okay, this looks like x plus y into x minus y, right? In the place of x we have got y squared, and in the place of y we have got 3 by 2, right? So we know that x plus y into x minus y gives us x squared minus y squared. So this gives us y squared whole squared, because in the place of x we have y squared, and in the place of y we have 3 by 2. So minus 3 by 2 whole squared. Okay, so that is equal to y power 4 minus 3 squared is 9 and 2 squared is 4. Hi friends, so 95 into 96 can be written as 100 minus 5 into 100 minus 4. So using x plus a into x plus b formula, we get that is 100 square plus minus 5 minus 4 into 100 plus minus 5 into minus 4. So 100 square is 10,000, minus 5 and minus 4 gives us minus 9 into 100 minus 900, and minus 5 into minus 4 gives us plus 20. So that is equal to 10,000 minus 900 is 9,100 plus 20 is 9,120 into 100 minus 4. Okay, so that it looks like x plus y into x minus y, where x is 100 and y is 4. So x plus y into x minus y gives us x squared, 100 squared, minus y squared, which in our case is 4 squared. So that is equal to 10,000 minus 16, that is equal to 9,984. Factorize 9x squared plus 6xy plus y squared. That looks like x squared plus 2xy plus y squared, because in place of x we have 3x squared here. That's why it is looking like 9x squared. And in place of y again we have y squared. So this can be written as 3x whole squared y squared. Okay, that gives us 3x plus y whole squared. So instead of x we have x itself, and instead of y we have y squared by 100, and note that 100 is 10 squared, so we can write this as x plus y by 10 into x minus y by 10. Minus 2x plus 5y minus 3z whole squared, that looks like x plus y plus z whole squared. Instead of x we have 2x minus 2x, instead of y we have 5y, and instead of z we have minus 3z. Okay, so using this identity we get x plus y plus z whole squared is equal to x squared plus y squared plus z squared plus 2xy plus 2yz into 2zx. So substituting the corresponding values, for x we have minus 2x, so whole squared, and for y we have 5y, again whole squared, and instead of z we have minus 3z, again whole squared, plus simplifying it further, I'll just write it up here. So minus 2 squared will give us 4x squared, and 5y squared will give us 25y squared, minus 3z whole squared will give us 9z squared. 2 times 5 is 10, minus sign is there, so minus 10, then again 2 times, so that is minus 20xy. This is the expanded form. You get a by 4 whole squared plus minus b by 2 whole squared plus 1 squared, plus simplifying further we get a squared by 16 plus b squared by 4 plus 1 plus, we have 2 here, this 2 and 2 gets cancelled, we have ab and a minus sign, so minus ab by 4, so we get minus ab by 4. Next term is this 2 and this 2 gets cancelled, minus b is there, so we get minus b, and here again 2 2s are, and we get a by 2. This is the expanded form. Factorize this, factorize 2x squared plus y squared minus 8z squared and the other terms. You will see that this is in the form of this identity. We have x squared, in place of x squared we have 2x squared. Okay, so we have to modify that to fit that, and we have y squared, and we have, in place of z we have 8z squared. Okay, so to factorize this, note that 2x squared we can write it as root 2x whole squared. Okay, so that will come in place of x. Okay, and in place of y we have y itself, so y squared can be taken as is, no problem, and in place of z squared we have 8z squared. Okay, 8z squared can be written as 2 root 2 z whole squared. And if we look at the other terms, we have here 2 root 2 into xy, but we have a minus sign here. Okay, so instead of 2xy we have 2 root 2x, but y there is a minus sign here. So I think the minus sign should go with either it should go with x or y, but here the y and z term are there, but there is no minus. So here x and z are there, so there is a minus term. This expression can be factored as minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2z whole squared. Okay, because it matches. See, when you take minus root 2x whole squared, you get 2x squared. Okay, when you say y squared, you get y squared. 2 root 2 whole z whole squared, you get 8z squared. Okay, then when you want to calculate this term 2xy, you will get 2 into minus root 2x into y, which is this. Okay, when you want to calculate minus z, you will get a 2 into 2 4, then you will get y root 2z, all the terms are here. Okay, and when you want to calculate these two, multiplication of these two into 2, right, you get a minus sign as required, then you will get a 2 root 2 into root 2, that is 2 into 2, that is 4 into 2, which is a part of this equation here, and x and z terms are here. Okay, so we have factorized it like this. We have thoroughly studied, digested, thought about and simplified the concepts for you. So please like, share and subscribe.